Well folks, here we are again at the beautiful river. I'm Landon, here with Embrace the Outdoors. And I'm going to try something a little bit different today. Last time I tried artificial. I'm going to try bee moss and night crawler. See what I can get for you today.
Open up, you OPN, cause you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends, if you OPN.
Got me a nice flathead.
Open up, you OPN,
Look at that, boys.
cause you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends, if you OPN.
Well everyone, I was using bee moss. Stuck it in the water for maybe 5-10 minutes. Got her done today. Nice flathead. Nice one. I love this spot. Alright everyone, got me a good buddy here today, Devin. Woo! Let's see what else fish we can catch. Well folks, that sums it up there on the Williams Dam. I had a pretty good night. Caught my first ever flathead, 4 pounds. Wasn't too bad on that little rod. But I hope you enjoyed my video. And if you ain't already, smash that like button and subscribe to my page. And I got one more thing for you. At 100 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway. So you gotta like, subscribe, comment so I know. And then we'll do the giveaway on that. But I'll have more detail on that when I hit 100 and I'll do a video. But I hope you enjoyed and see you next time.